Bench testing 1957-1958 Cadillac Fog Light Switch. Serial number 02102023. Offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1. Fog switch set to parking lights. Test number 2. Fog switch set to fog lights. Parking lights off. From parking or fog lights only on one at a time. Option only available in the parking light position, not available in headlight position. Test number 1, parking lights on. Test number 2, fog light position. Front parking lights are off, fog lights are on. Back to parking, front parking lights. Fog, parking.